What's up, YouTube? It is Isaac Adis, and I am the CEO and programmer of Obsidian ROV. Now, in this video, I'm actually going to be going over some advanced HTML tags, and if you've seen my HTML and my CSS videos, you do know a good bit already about web design. However, we are not done in the series. We are about, I think, 50% done. So, this is still a good start. However, I'm going to begin this by talking about Favicons. I think that's the way you pronounce it. How you can see here, let me zoom in a bit. As you can see in this, on the tab, we just have a blank document kind of looking thing. That's because we don't have an icon for our web page. And in order to do that, well, actually, let me show you something. Let me show you an example of a favicon. So I will just go to, Obsidian, our website. There's this dark purple looking thing, and that's supposed to represent Obsidian, but it's pretty hard to see, so we'll be changing that soon. And in this video, I want to be telling you guys about the site called Favicon.cc. There are a bunch of different ones online. I just found this first, and I use it because it has a search bar. You can use other people's, and in this case, since we don't have much time, we're just going to make our own, and we're just going to look for a robot one, because we have a robotics website. Robotics. That might work. I like this one. So basically we can have this either this way, which is basically your link href, or you could have it through this through the actual file itself, and this would be this would work in pretty much any browser except Internet Explorer, as it says here. Since we want optimizability, I'll go through this. I would go through this route, but I mean we're short on time, so just copy this. So we just copy it and just place it within our head, and then we save, and then we reload our page. Oh, did we save? Wait a second. Okay, it turns out I was using the wrong file. So let's actually paste in our thing, and as you can see here, we have our little robotics thing, our icon, and that's pretty cool. The next thing I'll be going over is the marquee, and we can just do this by having the marquee tags. So I believe you can just do this. And then add one, and then we do that. It's pretty cool. And yeah. However, this is a little annoying, so I would not recommend use of this one. So let's undo that. Awesome. So let's do that. And now our thing is static. And I just wanted to talk about favicons or favicons in this video. And so if you liked it, please like and subscribe, and Obsidian will keep making videos.